Guys, welcome back to the channel. Here on a Saturday morning. Small's at work, Tall's here as usual. Done the house chores. Now we're actually doing the checks on the van. Come down to do the window sills, the torque wrench settings on the wheels, check everything's right, tyre pressure's done, so they're okay. Have a good look around the van. Simply give it that once over where you shouldn't really have to do that on site because you don't really need to do that on site. What I find, guys, when doing the rubbers on the windows, it's best to just, for neatness, is to get a cloth, spray the silicone on the cloth and then wipe that around the rubbers. And this way you're not going to get this all over the caravan that you've cleaned nicely before. So here we go, we'll try this now. Actually, so let's just get it on. And I could already feel the stickiness of these when I open the windows. This will make sure the rubber's staying tip-top condition. It'll take that long to do. You obviously try that straight away because you can compress it. Yeah, superb. So try the big one now. Listen. That's it. That's a big window open. Amazing for the age how much black comes off the rubber. See how much the heat's got to it already. Such a short space of time. Amazing, really. Quite heavy those windows off there. Yeah, stickiness disappears quite quickly. Brilliant. So just repeat this all the way around. Once it stays up, still a lot tighter. Such a quick job, but an important job. That's the key thing to note. There we go, around the van. See if what you think. So I cut flick around. Finished all those checks that we need to do. Absolutely spot on, no problem whatsoever. It's a fairly new van, so I wouldn't have expected too much hassle, but you know what all of us seem to find from manufacturers. I'm a manufacturer, so shouldn't say that. But yeah, everything's looking good, tip top. Van's ready to go, hopefully for next week. Mum's in hospital at the moment, so hopefully that's not going to stop our travels and she's back out well in time. But fingers crossed, all goes well. But yeah, we're ready for our next trip. Next week it's going to be Malvern Hills. We're in the Blackmore area, Hanley Swan. Thank you for tuning in and watching this. Thank you for the support on the channel. Thank you for everybody who's liked, subscribed, and enjoy your weekend, guys.